everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to create a OneDrive account for yourself. So to do that, open the application that you have downloaded, tap upon that, and here on the home page you need to tap on Create One. Tap that. For the account creation, there's two ways how you can do that. That is either by your phone or by the email. We're gonna go with the email process for this video. Tap on use your email instead. And now here to do that, you will need to type in the email address. Once you type in the email address, you tap on next. You can type in any email address, that is either your Gmail, Outlook or Hotmail. Then tap on next. Now then you will need to provide a password. Then tap on next. You will need to verify your email, so you need to go and check your mail. There Microsoft has sent you a code. That code need to be input over here. Go back and check your mail. There's the mail from Microsoft. Tap upon that. There's the code. You need to copy this code over here and paste it on this text box. Then tap on next. You need to go through some verification process. Click on next. Complete the verification process, and with that you have created yourself a OneDrive account for yourself. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.